So, you've got an SSD in your PC and you think it's already running at full speed? Well, hold on. Because today I'm going to show you some powerful optimizations that will make your SSD faster, extend its life, and even give your whole PC a speed boost. Stick with me till the end, because the last tweak is something most people don't even know about. Before we start, let me quickly show you where my SSD is right now using a benchmark. I'm using a free tool called SSD Benchmark. You can grab it online. Show test running, baseline results. Okay, here's my current read and write speed. Remember these numbers, because after the tweaks you'll see a noticeable difference. Step 1. Always create a restore point. Safety first. Before touching anything, create a Windows restore point. Go to Windows search type restore point. Click create, name it something like SSD Boost, and save it. That way, if anything feels off later, you can roll back instantly. Step 2. SSD optimization with free tool. Now let's talk about the main tool we'll use, SSD Booster. Download it from Major Geek's safe site. Run it as administrator. Inside the dashboard, you'll see several options in red or pink. The goal is to make them all green. Here's what to change. Kernel paging executive, disable it. Saves unnecessary writes. Last access timestamp, turn it off. Prevents Windows from writing extra data every time you open files. Boot file defragment, off. Defragging is harmful to SSDs. Prefetch and superfetch, off. SSDs don't need this caching trick. 8.3 file name creation, disable. Legacy useless today. Thumbnail cache, disable. Reduces constant writes. Search indexing, off. Save space and write cycles. Event logging, excessive logs, disable. Hibernate, disable, unless you love hibernate mode. This one frees up a huge amount of SSD space. Keep trim support on and drive optimization at default. Once everything is green, click Optimize System Drive. Wait for it to finish. Step 3. Advanced Windows SSD tweaks. Now, here are a few extra pro tips that SSD Booster won't handle, but can give you even more benefits. Enable write caching. Go to Device Manager Disk Drive's SSD Properties Policies, enable write caching. This can significantly improve speed. Disable System Restore on SSD, optional. If you already made a restore point and you're confident, turning off System Restore for your SSD saves space and write cycles. Move page file to another drive if you have HDD/secondary SSD. Your page file constantly writes data. Moving it off your main SSD reduces wear and keeps it fast. Update your SSD firmware. Visit your SSD manufacturer's website and update firmware. New versions often improve performance and stability. Over-provisioning space. Leave at least 10 to 15% of SSD storage free. SSDs slow down drastically when full. Step 4. Retest the speed. Now let's go back to the benchmark retest the speed. That's a clear performance boost, and you'll also notice your system feels snappier. And that's it. With just a few tweaks, you've boosted your SSD speed and even extended its lifespan. Remember, the key is not just raw speed. It's also about keeping your SSD healthy long-term. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe to NQ Game Fixer, and drop a comment with your new SSD speeds. I'd love to see your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.